The boat arriving here in Gaspé marks the end of a large journey, and now for the final delivery here at their doorstep, or basically in their facility. The big challenge is to have the right people for the right job. We keep our crews safe, and we keep the community that is welcoming us for this project safe. And the wind experience that we have for our wind customers and other project customers, this is the future being built. We're here for that. We have different teams around the world where we communicate very actively. Hey Jacob, what would you say would be the secret sauce for DSV in this particular shipment?
The experience that we have, the knowledge that we have with our colleagues around the world that are able to add value to any client's specific needs when things get complicated. And that's what we're here to do.
We have 15 of these containers that are very urgently needed so that the foundation for the rest of the equipment being installed is laid down. It's unusual to have a full factory shipped in one single vessel. Yep, everything is accepted. Our task right now is to get these 15 containers off this ship as soon as possible.
We're ready on our side. We have the shuttle lift ready on one side. We have cranes on the other side. As fast as you guys can bring them off, we're ready to go.
Yeah, because today it's going to be quick. I mean, like 6 trucks going back and forth. We should be moving that quite fast. Most of these pieces are very wide and high and extremely long. That has required the use of very specialized equipment. You know, we respect the integrity of the cargo. That's the success we have to have as DSB to deliver this cargo safely and on time.
Pascal? Ok, je vais le rencontrer. We're gonna go up to see the captain.
When we are ordered from Hawaii to take this cargo, we encountered 3 typhoons in the way from China to here.
Basically, I'm here just on site to make sure that all the engineering specs are followed, and that's basically what I'm here to do.
25 tons?
25 tons.
Okay. Take a quick picture. Okay, verified. It's good to go.
The timelines are getting shorter and shorter. And though the world is not getting smaller and smaller, the deadlines and time frames that you're working with is very streamlined, so you don't have any time for mishaps or something that you didn't calculate into the process.
Surveyor's asking if it's enough trailer for the cargo, so it's so huge. It's going to look very big compared, but this is good.
So the measurement is good from here to there?
Yeah, I have a 16 meter.
Okay.
We try to say that we make it look easy, but it's a lot of planning for sure.
The extension to the gooseneck save it touched here to here, but just for better stability.
Yeah, but it's going to be too long. We cannot stretch it. If we were to extend it a little bit more, then the trailer would be too flexible, right?
Gotcha. It's just funny because like whenever you say, "Oh, now I think I've seen it all," you haven't.
Yeah, something happens. That's why you always prepare for the worst, hope for the best. Don't cut any corners.
Tonight, we're looking forward to delivering the 5th unit, the 5th largest unit. Make another delivery, another successful delivery. That's what it is.
Most interesting in regards to this specific shipment is just the sheer volume of it. You have several thousand cubic meters, units that is nearly as big as a house that you need to move through a city, and not just through a city, from the other side of the planet. I'm sure that you are aware that we can see there is a lot of focus on this specific project, both government and private. Just goes to show that if you prepare and if you you do your homework, then you're able to execute anything.
And it's just amazing to see how we maintain that knowledge and know-how. You know, we have a system, we use the system properly, but it's just always the expertise of our colleagues that makes things move. You know, we all give a little push. It just takes very little steps for a long and far distance. Those little steps, they sometimes require little pushes. Sometimes it's also a lot of work, but many times the challenge is just one single step. And it can be a person in Denmark making a quick decision, a person in Canada assisting on, you know, some curved ball that's been thrown to us. We can plan ahead for months and months. Trick is to adjust and to go one direction or another direction very, very quickly to allow for the continuous flow of the cargo.
When we deliver here, when they lift it off the trailer, we're going to be done with our job.